There are 3 macronutrient groups that provide calories for metabolism, mechanical work, and essential material for maintenance of our tissues. These are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are various sized molecules containing varying amounts of fiber, which determines their beneficial or harmful effect on our health. The major function of carbohydrates is to provide energy for body metabolism. The average carbohydrate contributes 4 calories per gram of mass. Simple sugars like sucrose, fructose, and galactose are the body's primary sources of fuel. Excess simple sugars are turned into fat or reserve fuel. The average U.S. consumption of simple sugars is 150 pounds per person per year. Complex carbohydrates are divided into low fiber and high fiber. Low fiber carbohydrates are found in food products like simple sugars, flour, and starch. The average U.S. consumption of low fiber carbohydrates is about 200 pounds per person per year. High fiber, complex carbohydrates are high in vitamins and minerals and are slow digestible nutrients. They are found in legumes, whole grains, and vegetable and fruit skins. U.S. consumption of high fiber carbohydrates is low. The next major food group is protein. Protein is a complex and highly functional molecule found in every part of the body. The main function of protein is to supply building blocks for production of various enzymes, hormones, cell organelles, and essential materials for organ tissue, bone, and muscle. Major sources of protein are red meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, legumes, grains, and all green vegetables. Protein contributes 4 calories per gram of mass. The average U.S. protein consumption is about 900 pounds per person per year. The third major food group is fat. Fat is composed of basic units or fatty acids that are incorporated into small and large fatty acid carbon chains. The function of fat depends on the complexity of its molecular structure. Fat has twice as many calories as other nutrients. It contributes 9 calories per gram of mass. Besides serving as reserve fuel, fat is also important in the production of hormones, cellular membrane permeability, and insulation. Major sources of fat are red meat, poultry, dairy, egg yolk, vegetable and fish oil, nuts, and seeds. U.S. consumption of fat is high, between 80 to 100 pounds per person per year. Finally, we need to include alcohol in the category of macronutrients. Alcohol is part of nutrition that cannot be ignored. It has 7 calories per gram and therefore contributes to obesity. Alcohol is addictive and is toxic to all tissues and organs in the body, especially the liver. According to the World Health Organization report published in 2014, the U.S. is 48th among the world's nations in consumption of alcohol. The average U.S. consumption of alcohol is 9.2 liters, or 2.4 gallons per person per year. Should we consume no alcoholic beverages at all? Not necessarily. An occasional glass of soft alcoholic beverage, such as wine or beer, is generally not harmful.